Finally felt like winter after so many 70s and 80s and a kind of sweaty Christmas, and now we've got the cold back, at least for a couple of days. Tuesday and Wednesday mornings, we have our weather impact alert out for really cold weather. We have a freeze expected north of the lake both mornings in the upper 20s. And tomorrow, as I was saying, the wind chill is going to be an issue even south of the lake. There will be just enough wind still to make it feel like 20s area wide. So, of course, dress warm, protect plants, pets, and people. And if you want to be on the super safe side north of the lake, make sure your pipes are protected too. Actually, as we get the new model data in, I don't think it's going to be pipe bursting kind of cold even north of the lake. We're looking at mainly light to almost moderate freeze conditions in the upper 20s, both tonight and tomorrow morning, and then the following on Wednesday morning. So right now 50 degrees. We've had clouds today, breaks of sun here and there, making it look kind of different and sunny and pretty at times. We're expecting those clouds to decrease tonight. We have 40s to lower 50s currently for temperatures. And winds have come down actually from earlier today. We saw some wind gusts at 54 miles per hour measured at the lake, or excuse me, at the Kenner Airport and other spots, well over 40 mile per hour wind gusts here and there. Look at this bitter, now this is truly bitter cold off to the north of us around the Midwest. We've had that front which passed through our area, still some snow ongoing and wintry precipitation in the Northeast and parts of the Midwest still. Tonight we're looking for our lows, as I was saying, around 28, 29 north and about 35 or 36 south. But the thing tomorrow morning is not going to be the really cold, deep freeze conditions, although it will be a light freeze north, but it's more the wind chill. Look at this. We'll be feeling like 20s area wide for early tomorrow morning. And actually the National Weather Service issued a cold weather advisory. This is some new terminology they've started using this winter just to indicate the blue shaded area north of the lake. Wind chills as low as about 20 degrees. That's from midnight until 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. So of course a cold start tomorrow, and then we have still a somewhat breezy day. Our winds up to about 15, maybe at times 18 miles per hour in certain locations. It'll be cold and sunny with our highs only around 50, but the sunshine feeling pretty nice. I did want to point out the actual temperatures for Tuesday morning. Here we are, upper 20s to about 30 north. And we have mainly mid-30s south. Now, if you're away from the city, you'll be more close to freezing, but probably not even quite freezing for Houma, Thibodaux, and spots like that. Now we'll jump ahead to Wednesday morning, and this is actually the colder morning. Although, again, our models are coming in with temperatures just a little bit above where they were. Instead of solid mid-20s north of the lake, it's now looking like we may just barely brush 27 or 28. So that would put us more in the light freeze category, which means pipe bursting cold is not going to happen. So looking at our new information coming in today, and we'll keep you updated tomorrow, Wednesday morning looking like we probably won't have to really think too much about pipes north of the lake. I went ahead and put it there for you to protect north of the lake just to be on the safe side. But again, not looking like it's really going to burst pipes probably. South of the lake, we're looking for middle 30s both mornings tomorrow and Wednesday. So people, pets, and plants are what you need to protect. Don't have to worry about pipes if you're south of Lake Pontchartrain. New Year's Eve, we're looking for still a pretty chilly feel during the day, highs in the 50s, evening temperatures in the 40s. And then, of course, we get the warm up going again. On New Year's Day, we'll start chilly, but not freezing anymore. North of the lake will be upper 30s, south lower 40s with highs in the 60s. We're back in the 70s Friday and Saturday, slight chance of a shower, especially late Friday night. And then another little cold front edges through quietly Saturday night to make it a little cooler for Sunday.